All right, once again, before I get too far, I'm going to do a quick update. This is on the K20. Just got my new transmission back. It's Turbo 400. Rather than rebuilding mine, he had one that he built up to 500 horsepower. I went up and I swapped mine out for that. I just put in a True Cool transmission cooler. I just fastened it. As you can see, I had a nice area here, and then I actually worked off of one of the brackets up here. It's in there. I mean, this ain't going anywhere. I just piped these down to the transmission cooler lines. I connected them. You can actually, let's see, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but I just bent the transmission cooler lines down and then put both these hoses right there to them. And then it just goes straight back to the tranny. It does not go to the radiator anymore. I just, you're not gonna be able to see it. I just stubbed them off here. Don't need to heat up my transmission fluid at all. So just bypass the radiator altogether. We also rebuilt, actually the transmission had this behind it that the guy had, and it's basically had 30 to 40,000 miles on it. And so I just cleaned it up, painted it, redid the seals on it, flushed it out, and now I'm putting this back in because it'd be a lot easier. He sold this to me for 150 bucks, which is why I did it. It'd be a lot easier than rebuilding this, because this thing was leaking like a sieve all over the place. Obviously it's been torn into before. You can see the orange RTV, whatever. And yeah, it just leaked everywhere. I was gonna rebuild this one, but now that I got that for 150 bucks, that sure saved me a lot of time and headache. And yeah, we'll just sell this to somebody who needs it. If for nothing else, the bracket's worth a decent amount alone, so yay. And then we have, I did buy a transmission jack, and there's the new tranny. And then of course I got a new torque converter as well. It's a 2000 stall. That's just what we figured for what we're looking at. And now I'm installing it. I pulled them out together, but putting them back in, we're gonna do them one by one because they're pretty freaking heavy. So yeah, just filming this, and next time I film it, it'll be running and we'll be breaking it in. So thought I'd just update. That's it. And next time you see this, she'll be running again. All right, talk to you later.